little bit about me. If you didn't know who I am, I'm Yogi Bryan. My goal in life is to help the world release 100 billion fucks. So I do that through yoga, meditation, qigong, basically all the practices that I learned to help my fucking mind. My mind's a little crazy. I do suffer with depression, anxiety. I've seen a fuck ton of therapists. I've gone to hypnosis. I've had about 9 different hypnotherapy certifications. So I'm a hypnotherapist. Hypnotherapy is just amazing. If you haven't dived into that, it just really helps. It's helped me more than like any therapy has helped me, just faster, but I love therapy as well. And meditation, my meditation journey started in 2019. So fast forward, rewind to when I first started my yoga practice. 2016, I created an Instagram account to make fun of yoga. I had no intentions of becoming a yoga teacher or meditation guide. I just wanted to make fun of yoga. I saw that one of my friends on Instagram, she was doing a yoga challenge on Instagram for her studio, and she was doing yoga poses on her kitchen table, on her bed, on her counter, everywhere around her house. I thought this was ridiculous, so I should make fun of yoga. So I created this account, started making fun of yoga. It became like somewhat popular. I got 1,000 followers within a week. I thought I was super famous. I'm like, I should continue to make fun of yoga. So I joined a yoga studio just to learn more about yoga, to make fun of it. And I fell in love with the practice. I was going through a fucking terrible divorce at the time, and yoga just got me through that shit. It really got me through that shit. Got through it. Hated my ex-wife for like 6 years, but now we're like BFFs. So like yoga really fucking helped me on that healing recovery. So yeah, I just got into yoga. I became a yoga teacher, and one of my favorite teachers, his name's Brian Kest. And sometimes during this training, I'll go down rabbit holes and go down chasing squirrels. So I'll probably mention things that I didn't really want to include or had any intentions on including. But Brian Kest is an amazing yoga teacher. And I was watching a YouTube, and he was saying that his yoga teacher told him that if you practice yoga meditation, that the universe takes care of itself. And that's been true for me. I practice yoga, do my meditation, and the universe just takes care of itself. It takes care of me. So that's why I'm very passionate with sharing this practice. I started the meditation journey 2019, and I did that because I wanted to challenge myself to meditate. I've been practicing yoga. I've been teaching yoga since 2017. 2019, I'm like, I'm going to fucking try and meditate. I didn't have a consistent practice. I'm just going to sit for 90 days. And no matter what the duration was, I'm just going to sit for 30 seconds or a minute, continue it for 90 days. And then after 90 days, I'll quit if I don't like it, because I heard you got to do something over and over again to gain that habit. And for me, it took me 77 days to fucking like meditation. I hated the practice for 76 days. And I don't say that to discourage you. I'm just saying that it has to be consistent. You know, it has to be a consistent practice. If you meditate here and there, like once or twice a week, you're not going to get as good of benefits compared to just sitting and trying this for 90 days. So today's July 1st. I really want you to commit to at least a 30-day practice. And if you miss one day, not a problem. We'll go into that a little bit more. But basically on day 77 for me, everything just clicked. I realized that I was learning more about myself. It's like the light turned on day 77 for me. I started to see myself. I started to see my patterns in my subconscious mind. I started to find solutions to my problems. I started to gain more creativity in my content, in my business, in my personal life. I just started to see, it's almost like you get a superpower. You can start seeing through the walls. You can see around the corners. You just get downloads from the universe. And meditation for me is listening. So that's my journey.